In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fill-in-the-blanks in Google Forms. If you want students or respondents to type in a missing word and have Google Forms grade automatically, this is a quick and reliable setup. Start by opening Google Forms and creating a new blank form. You'll see an untitled form ready to go. Give it a clear title and, if helpful, a short description so everyone knows what the form is about. This doesn't change how the question works, but it keeps things organized. Open the Settings panel, find the option labeled Make this a quiz, and toggle it on. This unlocks the answer key for each question and lets you assign points. Don't worry, turning on the quiz setting doesn't change your form's look. It just enables grading features behind the scenes. Now add your first item. Click the plus icon to insert a new question for fill-in-the-blank style prompts. Set the question type to short answer. This is important because short answer supports answer keys and auto-grading, whereas long-form responses won't be automatically graded. Write your prompt in a clear direct sentence and use an underscore or a blank space to show what's missing. For example, the capital of France is underscore. The underscore is just a visual cue. The respondent will type the answer into the box to the right. Keep the surrounding wording simple so the blank is obvious, and so the answer won't be ambiguous. With the question drafted, open the answer key. Assign the point value you want for this question. Then type the correct answer. If there are acceptable variations like capitalization differences or common spellings, add each one as a separate correct answer. To make grading fully automatic, check the option that marks all other answers incorrect. This ensures only the answers you list will receive points. Be mindful of punctuation and spaces. If your sentence ends with a period, don't include the period in the expected answer. And watch out for accidental extra spaces. It's a good idea to add obvious variants if capitalization might vary. Finally, make the question required by toggling the required switch. This prevents respondents from skipping the blank, which helps your grading stay consistent. Google Forms saves changes automatically, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. That's all you need to create a clean, auto-graded fill-in-the-blank question in Google Forms. Thanks for watching.